Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. I wanted to start with the weekly chart. As you know, at the moment, we're covering a lot of the weekly charts because I'm updating them, making them available for the channel members. As a channel member, you get access to all these TradingView live chart links. So you can always see the updated wave count. Just sometimes good to know where we stand, what the targets for the next bull run might be. At the moment, I've got a target for the next bull run of around $5 to $7.96, because at the moment it seems likely that we have here a three-wave move up so far. I mean, in the more bearish interpretation, this would be an ABC structure, but we don't need to worry about that really until the price breaks below the 14-cent level. So that's how far, in theory, the price could come down without, creating any problems. So this is a three-wave move up, yes, but this was a nice impulse, and this move down could be complete already. So yeah, this is one of the coins where obviously the bear market low could have been in already in June, and this would be a wave 4. Yes, it can reset lower. No, this is wrong. Actually, this needs to be a wave 4 here. I'll do that later, but yeah, no, this would be a wave 4. This was wrong. Yeah, so obviously the idea is either the wave 4 is in or it will reset a little bit lower here in the support region and then could start a wave 5 in the next bull run. The wave 5 in the next bull run could again send us into the region between $5 and $7.96. So this is one of the more decent long-term charts. Still bear in mind it is an altcoin, so after 3 waves they can break down, but it is one of the altcoins that has held really well in this bear market. And also it is far away from an invalidation point. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I mean, bullish, yeah, would mean we are basically not going below the June low. Yeah, looking at the weekly chart, as long as that's holding, this fifth wave could be in the making. In a more bearish interpretation, to retest the yellow support area here for the wave 4, which is relevant for the wave 4, yeah, this would have to be a WX Y structure, and it would just come down lower. Yeah, this is also possible, but at the moment we're monitoring on the micro structure, on the micro level, if certain support areas hold and how far we should come down, or where we need to turn around to avoid any more, yeah, let's say breakdowns. Yeah, but yeah, this is good. And also, if this is already a 1-2 setup within the wave 5, then target for the third wave, that's sort of the next milestone, should be around $1.69 to $2.44. So basically the bandwidth of the third wave of the fifth wave to the upside. Other interpretations are possible, because if this is a fifth wave, there's no problem with this being an ending diagonal. So it might not adhere very well to the Fibonacci levels, but it should still eventually take us to above the current all-time high. Looking at the microstructure, the situation is unchanged. We have support at 48.6 cents, 46.5 cents, and 41.2 cents. These are the 3 levels to watch if we get another low. As you've just seen in the weekly chart, we don't need another low. It has come down deep enough. It has even broken below the June low, which is all we wanted really. So this is now the time and the period and the spot on the chart here really. The area on the chart where I'm watching for a trend reversal to occur. At the moment, the chart hasn't given me any evidence that the trend is reversing, so I currently see this still as a wave 4. It looks very corrective. Resistance goes all the way up to 55.2 cents. It reacted to the 38.2 Fib level again, so it shows me we're on the right track with our wave count. If resistance goes, or if price goes higher, again, resistance goes all the way up to 55.2 cents and could then still come down in a fifth wave to complete this move to the downside, from which would be a wave 2, yeah, which is basically on the weekly chart, this wave 2 here. And then afterwards, a third wave rally could start again into the region, ideally between $1.69 and $2.44. So I think it's one of the better charts out there. It's one of the better charts. Again, it still lacks long-term, anything reliable long-term, because all these crypto charts are very short-term and are very careful at the moment to give, let's say, moon targets. Yeah. By the way, on another note, and this is something that is always a possibility in a fourth wave, I mean, nothing's stopping this from turning into a triangle. Yeah. Do you understand? So this wave 4 could, if the next rally to the upside is not an impulse, we might deal with an Elliott wave triangle. We don't have enough waves to confirm that, but that would be frustrating price action, surely. This is something that could play out here. So that the wave 4, but that would simply delay the completion of the 4th wave and would simply delay a little bit the start of the 5th wave. It wouldn't necessarily be bearish. And yeah, looking at the shorter time frame, I'm watching here resistance levels at 52.9 cents, 54 cents, and 55.2. And I would need at the very minimum a break below the box again, so below 51.4 cents, to indicate that the 5th wave has started to the downside, but it would only be a very early signal. I mean, this is very messy price action. Hard to identify a clear structure here, but it looks very corrective here. It's very much overlapping and exhausting price action, you could say. You can even possibly, we can even add a bit of a trend line here, which gives us a first indication when this 5th wave starts. But then again, I can even take it out because it's all about this 51.4 cent level, really. If we break below this previous swing low, that could send it down in the 5th wave to, first of all, 49.2 cents, which is the 11th of September low, and then possibly 48.6. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.